right, I wanted to give you something super beautiful, super simple, and super impactful to play today. So I've got a very, very simple right hand riff that we're gonna explore, and just 2 chords. We can play more than 2 chords underneath, but we're gonna start with 2 chords. So this lesson is designed with all skill levels in mind. So if you are brand new to the piano, you can do this. If you've been playing for a little while, you can use this as inspiration, as a jumping off point to create something amazing. And one of my most favorite things that happens when we put out lessons like this is you producers out there take these themes and create amazing things and then share them with us. So I would love to hear your creations, what you come up with. So here is the riff. We are gonna need just 3 notes: G, F sharp, and D. And all you have to do is this. 3 notes, over and over. Now we'll build on this shortly, but let's just begin by getting comfortable here. With your left hand, you can play an E. I'm using an octave, but you could play just a single E. I'm also using the pedal. I'm just gonna hang out here for a minute to get comfortable. Ooh, some drama. So let's start that pattern over. We'll do it 4 times, and then left hand will move to C. Doesn't that sound dramatic? And we'll go back to the E. You could pulse with that left hand if you wanted to, and then C. Okay, so now we're gonna add to this pattern a little bit. We're gonna expand now that we're comfortable, and we're gonna throw in the occasional A, and it's gonna sound like this. 3, and then on the 4th repetition, we're gonna walk down from A to G to F sharp. So we'll do that again. Here's the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to the C. 2, 3, 4. Back to the E. And the C. Okay, now here's where things get exciting, because you can take that basic idea and you can get creative with different rhythms, different intensities, and you can vary things up a little bit to make it your own. So one of my favorite rhythmic variations sounds a little bit like this. So I'm playing the same notes, but I've just changed the rhythm up. Kind of reminds me of a classic rock song. Maybe you know it. Comment below if you know what I'm talking about. You could take this whole thing down an octave and make it really intense. Right? So there's so much you can do with it. Dynamics. And the great thing is you can begin to explore other chords that fit into the key signature. So we're playing around with E and C, but another chord you could try that would sound really good underneath is G. Right? You could try D. And if I put that all together, C, forgot what I was doing. And then G. And then D. So really, hours of entertainment with just a few notes. Okay, so I had a lot of fun with that. It's so beautiful. It's beautiful, but it still has that little bit of tension in there. It still sounds like what's happening. It creates a sense of urgency almost. And I love that contrast of something really beautiful and something a little bit tense. So I think that you are gonna have a lot of fun with this concept. Please comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know when you hear this. What song does it kind of remind you of? And most importantly, send me what you come up with, because I love hearing that stuff. So happy playing. We'll see you next time.